Relieve shoulder pain through massage, video script. When you have shoulder pain and don't know what to do, today I will introduce to you how to use massage to relieve shoulder pain, including the causes of shoulder pain and specific massage techniques and acupoints to alleviate it. You can use these acupressure techniques at home to easily relieve shoulder pain. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about massage and massage teaching. I hope you enjoy the content, and please remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Shoulder pain is a common problem that can be caused by various factors, including poor posture over long periods, such as hunching over a desk or computer, muscle tension and strain, arthritis injuries or sprains, cervical spine issues. These issues can lead to stiffness and pain in the shoulders, affecting daily life and work. Massage is a highly effective method to alleviate shoulder pain. By massaging, you can relax tense muscles, improve blood circulation, and reduce pain and discomfort. Today, I will introduce a few simple and easy massage techniques to help you relieve shoulder pain at home. Massage techniques and acupoints. Location: Jianjing is located on the shoulder, approximately midway between the neck and the outer shoulder. Massage method: use your thumb or middle finger to press Jianjing, gradually increasing the pressure, and hold for 1 to 2 minutes. You should feel a slight soreness, but don't overdo it. Location: Tianzong is located in the middle of the shoulder blade, about midway along the scapula's inner edge. Massage method: use your index and middle fingers to gently press and make circular motions on Tianzong for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps relieve muscle tension in the shoulder area. Location: Fengqi is located at the back of the neck, in the depression just below the base of the skull, about a thumb's width below the earlobe. Massage method: use both thumbs to press Fengqi and make small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. This can relax neck muscles and alleviate shoulder tension. Massage method: use your palms to gently knead the shoulder muscles, moving from the front of the shoulder to the back, and from the top to the bottom. Gradually relax the entire shoulder. Each kneading session should last 1 to 2 minutes. By using these simple massage techniques, you can effectively relieve shoulder pain, improve blood circulation, and relax tense muscles. I hope these tips bring more comfort and health to your life. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Your support and encouragement are my motivation to create better videos. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.